Why does pain last after an injury? When tissues are damaged, immune cells rush in and release cytokines. Cytokines are chemical alarm signals. Cytokines trigger prostaglandins. Prostaglandins sensitize your nociceptor's pain receptor, making them fire more easily and more intensely. Now even gentle touch sends strong pain signals racing up your nerves to the brain. This whole process is why inflamed injuries throb and stay painful for days. Understanding it is the first step toward better pain control.